What's up, everyone? No, I don't know if you don't know, but fully vaccinated people, about 23,000 of them there in Jamaica. That is 0.8%. A little bit of people that. So, low uptake in vaccine due to vaccine hesitancy is a problem. Now, Professor Alverston Bailey, who's an associate professor at UTech, say, yo, if we start giving some money for people vaccinate in Jamaica, see, so I must suggest, say, in the Cayman Islands, some sectors have 90% people vaccinated. So I must say, yo, people who vaccinated just drop them name in a one little raffle bag and you can get picked for get all 100,000. That time suggestion for increase the number of people vaccinated. But what everybody think now? You know that up to that now. If you have a chance to win 100,000, get vaccinated, or you're gonna just go and stay and don't get vaccinated. Enough people that want the 100,000 right now, but you gotta take the vaccine for a chance to get the 100,000.